And our final tip for this video is how...
I can say it.
No. And our final tip for this video is keeping good and honest communications between you and your significant other. You know, yeah, and you decide.
Stop it. And our final / bonus tip is basically just simply keeping an open, honest communication, and is the best, for learning to work out your difficulties, or having a good trip or whatever. So, yeah.
Or are we gonna edit in? Hang on, I need to scratch something out. I had a good boy earlier and I just blew that one.
Oh, you did.
Okay. The second category in art is art. What does that mean, Tina?
Well,
And this has been spirited conversations before.
Yes, yes, it has. So once we arrive at the campsite,
Just start back from when we arrive at campsite.
so when we were,
Okay. Tina sometimes doesn't want to get them out. We just need to start the whole thing over.
yeah, we need to start the whole thing.
Well, this is not another RV video, but a home demolition video, which might be related to the RV and the fact that we might be living in it for a couple of weeks as we demo our house. We're doing the entire upstairs. If you remember about a year ago, I did the basement, and now we're doing the upstairs. So there's Tina.
Hi.
She's headed off to a local vendor to look for
Cabinets.
Vanity cabinets.
Yes.
I'm getting ready to go to the bathroom. Well, I'm going into our bathroom to
demolish it.
To demo. I got our plan together. Would you like to see our plan? I got it in detail.
Yeah.
Tear out the walls.
That's the first step, dear.
That's step one.
Yes.
So, all right, well, I'm gonna get busy. I'll record as much as I can. We'll see.
All right, I gotta go.
Well, the GoPro died on me. I don't know if it was battery or just died. Anyway, so I started, and what I was trying to show in the time lapse was I gotta cut this out. What I'm gonna do is take my rotozip and just cut along the drywall. And I checked with the drywall guy, and he said just take it up past here, they'll take care of the rest of it. But I need to set the depth just a little bit deeper because I'm just cutting right along the side of the tile. So I just need to set that depth a little bit deeper. I have gotten my mileage out of this rotozip. Let me tell you. I have used it a lot. I used it one of the RV videos to cut a hole in the bottom for the front landing gear retract and extend switch. So, and I used it years ago when I put down a hardwood floor in our kitchen, which we're about ready to tear up. So, we'll see how that goes. Okay, one wall down, one more to go, and I just did check there is another cold air return on the other side of this wall, so I'm going to start from the bottom and plug it up so I don't get any more debris down in there than I need to. And then I've got Tina while she's at the store getting me a rotozip bit to cut through tile. I'm not sure the one I've got will actually go through tile very well. So gonna have her get that. And then the good thing about working in the bathroom, and you older guys will know what I mean, I still have access to the toilet close by. Okay, that's enough. Oh boy, we made some progress. So, yeah. It's been kind of fun. You know, you full-timers out there, you're missing out on this kind of fun. I mean, I don't need to go see a therapist or anything. I just take it out right here. All right, I've got Tina picking me up some RotoZip tile cutters because I'm going to cut around the tiles here just so I don't damage any of the plumbing behind the wall. And then I'll tear the rest of this wall out. But I think that's enough for this mini episode of Destroy That House, Dave. All right, more to come, I promise. All right, so all the tub surround is out. Save the tub, I gotta clean it up though. I'm gonna take this out. Now I started tearing the tiles out earlier, but it's pretty well glued down. So it was a lot of effort. So I'm just gonna try to cut it and just take the whole assembly out. So let's give that a shot. All right, we have everything cleaned up. So we've got all the drywall off, and I've got all this base off down here. The new tub, we're not going to have that little step. It's going to go straight down. And I just filled it up to rinse out the tub because we still need to use it for another week or so. So, making progress. All right. Today, we are heading to Cincinnati. We are going to be hooking up with some friends, Mike and Tony Tao from our RV Sunsets.
We're super excited about that.
Yeah, we are. So they are part of our collaboration team. We've become YouTube friends so far. So while they were in the general area, we decided to make the short trip up to Cincinnati to spend a couple hours with them.
Pie.com and SaveOnPIE.com. 36,000, 25, 1. These are the three numbers to remember to get the visibility and control you need to make the right business decisions instantly. 36,000, that's the number of businesses which have upgraded to NetSuite by Oracle. NetSuite is the #1 cloud financial system, streamlining accounting, financial management, inventory, HR, and more. 25. NetSuite turns 25 this year. That's 25 years of helping businesses do more with less. Close their books in days, not weeks, and drive.
This will be fun.
Thanks for the little nap.
What?
I think it's a little nap. The nap.
Yeah.
Then we get home. Also a little laundry. have some clothes to dry tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then start thinking about my little video I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
What happened to my straw?
I've been blowing in your ear or trying to blow in your ear for like 5
I
minutes.
was tired.
Where are you seeing that?
I was tired, yes.
Poor thing.